Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can get pets on Among Us. Now you need to buy pets on Among Us, you cannot get it for free. So let me show you how to buy it. After you open Among Us, just click on where it says shop and go on this little dog looking icon. Now these are the pet dogs. You need to pay 5,000 or 42,000 or 5,000. You pay for it and you're gonna get the pet. But if you want to buy the bundle, you need to click on this. And if you go a bit down, you will see all the pet bundle. You can get the alien one or you can get the bed crab. You can go into any one bundle and you can pay 30 gold over here. Once you pay 30 gold, you will get two of these pet. That is basically what this bundle is. And this heart thing you can get by completing missions. But to get this, you need to buy it. You need to click on the plus and buy whichever star bundle you want. You just need to pay for it to get the pet. So I hope you understand how you guys can get pet in Among Us. You can either buy it from here by buying gold, or you can buy it from here buying this little hard looking thing. I hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.